Class 2nd, Subject EVS, Chapter 2nd, My Body is Special, Part 3. Hello students, welcome to the class. In the last class, we have learned about sensing our world. Today, we will learn new concept, and today's concept is growing up and inside the body and taking care of my body. Let us learn today's chapter along with your textbook. Children, look at this page. Have you grown taller since last year? Look at the picture below. What does it show? It shows human life cycle. First, a baby is born. After a few months, the baby learns how to crawl and then becomes a toddler. Next, the toddler grows into a child. After a few years, the child grows into a teenager. Then the teenager grows into an adult man. As time goes on, the man gets older and become elderly. Next we will go to study muscles and bones. Children, touch your head. Touch your nose. You will realize that they are hard. Why is it so? It is because of presence of bones. Human body is made of bones and muscles, which give our body its shape. They help us to perform various activities of our daily life. For example, to move, run, play, etc. Now we are going to learn some important internal organs. The brain, heart, lungs, stomach, liver and kidneys. They help us to breathe, eat, work and grow. Let us learn one by one. The brain. The brain controls all the organs of the body. Helps us to think, learn and remember. It is inside our head. Heart. Heart pumps blood to all parts of the body. The lungs. Lungs are inside the chest. There are 2 lungs in our body. The liver's main job is to filter the blood. Stomach. The food we eat goes into stomach. Kidneys. The kidneys helps to remove waste products and excess fluid from the body. All the organs of the body work together. Therefore, to stay healthy, we need to breathe in fresh air, drink clean water, eat healthy food, and perform exercise daily. Taking rest is also important. we should make effort to keep our body healthy and strong. All the organs of the body work together. Therefore, to stay healthy, we need to breathe in fresh air, drink clean water, eat healthy food, and perform exercise daily. Taking rest is also important. We should make effort to keep our body healthy and strong. As our body grow, it is important to take care of them. Here are some tips for looking after your body's needs. Can you fill in the missing words from the table below? First one, eat healthy food, drink lots of water. Second one, exercise regularly, play lots of running and jumping games. They will keep you healthy and help you grow. Third one, your body gets tired after a long day. Get lots of sleep. Bath every day. Wash your hands and feet after coming home from outside. Always rinse your mouth after eating. This will keep your teeth and gums healthy. Last one, splash your eyes regularly with cold water. Keep your nose clean. Always carry a clean handkerchief with you. Clean your ears with earbuds. Never put sharp things in your ears. Let us review exercises. A. Note the differences. Look at Reshma and Sanjay. They look different, don't they? Tick the correct word to describe them. First one, Reshma is taller or shorter than Sanjay. What is the answer? Reshma is taller than Sanjay. Second one, Reshma's hair is longer or shorter than Sanjay's. Reshma's hair is longer than Sanjay's. Third one, Sanjay's hair is curly or straight and Reshma's hair is curly or straight. Sanjay's hair is curly and Reshma's hair is straight. Fourth one, Sanjay is thinner or fatter than Reshma. Sanjay is thinner than Reshma. B. Compare prints. Take 2 sheets of paper and some paint. Write your name on each sheet of paper. Take off your shoes. Apply paint to the bottom of your feet. Stand on one sheet. These are your footprints. Wash your feet. Now apply paint to the palms of your hands. Press your palms down on the second sheet of paper. These are your handprints. Children, do this activity along with your parents. Once the sheets have dried, put up all your hand and footprints on a string and hang up the string at your home. Now, look at all the sheets. Who has the biggest hands? Who has the smallest feet? Okay, children. Today we learnt growing up inside the body, muscles and bones, and exercise. In the next video, we will learn new chapter, that is Unit 3, Working People. Till then, watch this video repeatedly and have a good practice for your own self. Bye children. Have a nice day.